Alright, let's cut through the hype. Is the MSI Mag 244F gaming monitor really worth your hard-earned cash, or is it just another flashy budget trap? First up, this monitor is not a scam. It's a legit entry-level option from MSI, a brand that's been in the game for a while. What you get: a 23.8-inch rapid IPS panel, 1080p resolution, a lightning-fast 200Hz refresh rate, and a crazy 0.5 ms response time. For esports fans, think Overwatch or Valorant, you'll totally feel that buttery smooth motion. Colors? The Mag 244F covers about 126% of the sRGB spectrum and supports over 1 billion shades. It's vibrant and punchy, especially for the price. Plus, AMD FreeSync Premium and Adaptive Sync mean you'll dodge most of the screen tearing you see on cheaper monitors. But let's be real, there are a few things you need to know. First, the HDR Ready badge is mostly marketing. With 300 nits of brightness and no local dimming, you're not getting true HDR magic here. It'll process HDR signals, but don't expect OLED-level contrast. Another thing, ergonomics are basic. The stand only tilts, no height, no swivel. Yes, you can mount it with Visa if you need more flexibility, but straight out of the box, it's pretty simple. And here's a tip: always buy from official retailers. There have been phishing scams with fake MSI emails, so double-check before you click anything sketchy. Bottom line, the pros are strong: great value, fast refresh, vibrant colors, and smooth gameplay for budget-focused gamers. Downsides? Some IPS glow if you play in a dark room. You might get unlucky with a dud unit, and it doesn't always come with a DisplayPort cable. So if you want killer performance and you're okay with a few compromises, the MSI Mag 244F is a solid pick. Just don't fall for the HDR hype, and always buy safe.